And our therapist here with some more mindfulness, and today I'm out at the waterfall. So we're going to ask the waterfall to help us just become centered today and to release any sort of problems that we have or any worries that we have. So we're just going to focus on the waterfall and I'm going to talk you through it. So get seated comfortably or lie down on the floor and just close your eyes and listen to the sound of the waterfall. Listen to all the water tumbling over the rocks. Focus all of your attention on its sound. If any thoughts come into your mind, just let them float down the waterfall. Let them float away. If any feelings come up in your body, just let them float down the waterfall. Let them float away. And as you're lying with your eyes closed or sitting on the ground with your eyes closed, put all of your attention on the waterfall sound and imagine it washing over you. Imagine the water is washing over your body. Imagine it's washing away any thoughts that are bothering you. Imagine it's washing away any worries that are bothering you. Imagine it's washing away any feelings that are bothering you. The waterfall is washing away anything that you don't need right now. Anything that's not helpful for you right now. And focus on the sound of the waterfall again. Imagine the water washing over you. And we're just going to listen for a minute. And once the waterfall has washed away anything that's been bothering you, we're just going to thank it. Say thanks to the waterfall for washing away what we do not need. And slowly open your eyes and come back into the room. So that's it for today. Remember, if you're out with your mom or dad beside a waterfall, stay back and just listen. Bye.